Hello, my name is Erika Amigo. In English, my name means friend. I am 14 years old and I'm from San Francisco, California. The two things I love about California are the beaches and the sun. Every day is beautiful in California. Also, I have two siblings. Keiko, my sister, is the oldest. She's 19, and Shingu, my brother, is only 3 years old. My hobbies are talking to friends and shopping. When I was younger, I always got lost while shopping with my mother. Thank you for listening. My name is Erika Nagatomo. B. Hello. I want to tell you a little about myself. My name is Jason Hand, and I'm 15 years old. My birthday is July 16th, 1989. I love playing soccer more than anything because I have been playing soccer since I was 4 years old. My mom says that I'm the only boy in my class that started playing soccer so young. Besides soccer, I also enjoy playing with my pet hamster. Hamsters are my favorite animals because they are cute and funny. My best friends are Tim and Anthony. Thank you.